Good morning. Just out here cleaning up the last of the zucchini that succumbed to the squash bugs. Think you caught me doing my squash bug dance. Key to it in the mulch, gotta give it a little twist. Now that you've seen my squash bug dance, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing, and I really want to thank you for participating. It is Saturday, August 1st, and that means subscriber submissions. Your participation has motivated people that have never gardened before. It's kept old gardeners like me out here in the heat, waiting for rain, then getting too much rain. I do thank you for participating. Johnny's raised bed is beating expectation. Look at those cantaloupe. Thank you for the update, Johnny. It's a good thing the peppers are tall. They're definitely getting invaded by the sweet potatoes. From what I understand, if you get flowers on sweet potatoes, it's sort of a bonus. We're trying to figure out where exactly to plant the fall garden. If you remember, when we put out the sweet potatoes, there were just little bitty slips. The vines are growing so good, I'm afraid wherever I pick, it's gonna overtake them. Seems like only yesterday when Jeremy sent in his first pictures of 2x4s going together, even though he's been eating out of it for weeks. And there's more to come. When those watermelons get going, you can't contain them. Jeremy, we all appreciate you keeping us updated. Here's a nice example of a couple cantaloupes hanging on the trellis. For those of you who have never used a trellis for cantaloupe, they hold just fine. Walter's harvest is in full swing. That sour cabbage looks great. Thanks for the update, Walter. This is the first year we planted okra, and I sure do like the flower. The okra at Deer Creek Acres is keeping Frank and Karen busy. Looking good, Frank. Thank you for your update. Over the last several days, I've received quite a few comments about leaves turning brown, about fruit splitting, about fruit not growing. I'm trying to prove out this deep mulch. I'm trying not to spray anything. As you can see, the aggressive pruning of the lower leaves, even out here in full sun in the heat, the tomatoes are doing pretty well. We got fruit growing well up 5-6 feet off the ground. Linda is a new subscriber that is coming to us from Mexico. She sent in shots of her container garden, tomatoes and squash. Look how these things are producing. And that round ball zucchini, that is great. Keep us posted and welcome to the group. If you want to know the secret of why these are continually producing, even with the hot weather and the weird rain that we've had, and this is very important, stay till the end and I'll give you the tips. We've got a new subscriber, Cody Ruth. She just moved to a place with a backyard. Thought she started planting a little late. Corn, okra, tomatoes, watermelon, cantaloupe, peppers, blueberries. Looks like you checked all the boxes and your counter is starting to get full. Thank you for sending in your submissions and keep us updated, and welcome to the group. Cecil is a new subscriber from California. He sent in some shots of his tomato garden. He's got quite a variety. I understand he also has some lemons and oranges and grapefruit right outside the back door. But look at this, avocados right on the tree. That is awesome. Keep us updated and welcome to the group. The winner of the viewer's choice goes to Scott's Blushing Bride Lotus. We're going to let it speak for itself. I am working on a website to make it easier to get a hold of me. But until then, just leave a comment down below if you want to participate, or message me on Facebook. Facebook is the easiest way for me to get your photos. We'd all love to see what you're doing in your garden. Now remember, this thing is up and down. You know what I'm talking about, so protect yourself and protect your families. The secret to why these continue to produce is pretty simple. Pruning, heavy and often, giving them plenty of airflow, keeping them supported, keeping the mulch down around them, and taking them off as soon as they start showing any color, and they'll continue to produce all summer long. For more information on that, click that link right there. thank you for coming to my garden. And until next time, God bless you, and I'll see you later. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.